What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Boy, do I have something exciting for you. I believe we have the world's first 3x3 three-wheeler. Combination of Christini and our custom parts. Now guys, I know you've been waiting and wondering, why haven't we been posting trike content? We're gonna get into that into a future video. But for right now, let's enjoy this awesome build. What we have here, I believe, is the world's first 3x3 Christini three-wheeler. Worked in collaboration with Christini and Binkys Forever ATC. We're super excited. This thing is going to be actually heading to his museum because it's a one-of-one prototype. And I'm excited for the public to actually get to see this thing on display and see this awesome creation between a couple of cool companies, ATC Trikes, Christini, and Binkys Forever ATC. Special thanks to Binky. He has a handful of our builds. He's always coming up with some cool ideas for us to, I guess, dabble into some new ventures. So a three-wheel drive three-wheeler was definitely one of them. I was a little bit weary on it at first because this thing, guys, this thing does have internal chains and drive shafts going to each side of the hub. So Christini took care of the whole front end for us. And as you guys know, we cover the rest of it. This all started as a 450cc dirt bike with the two-wheel drive system. It's basically a normal dirt bike in the back, the all-wheel drive in the front. Crazy design for sure, guys. Just wanted to show you guys some close-ups here. Overall, everything turned out real nice. This bike is EFI. Not sure who makes it. I'm assuming he gets the bikes overseas, but everything is Honda bolt pattern. From what I could see, it's very similar to a CRF 450X, only it has EFI. Now, he did have WP suspension in the front. We've got a fast A shock in the back, but everything again is all CRF geometry. Got some nice taillight brackets on here with the turn signals and all the fun stuff. Now this bike did have an FMF on here. Overall, it started out as a clean bike, and it's an even cleaner trike now. Definitely a wild machine. Now, if you guys haven't heard of Christini, I'm gonna insert some clips of their company. So they make these crazy all-wheel drive, two-wheel dirt bikes. And Binky had the idea, let's do a three-wheeler, let's put it in the museum. It's a prototype, it's a one-off, and again, I'm excited for you guys to get to see this thing up close. Now stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow. We're gonna take this thing out to the desert, test ride it, make sure everything is working correctly. We're gonna get some more footage and some more pictures. I just wanted to post a teaser tonight and get you guys all wound up and excited about what we've been working on. So if you guys want any more info on what we do, head over to bctrikes.com. You can also head over to Binkys Forever ATC. He does have a museum. I'm gonna insert some clips of that. You guys can buy tickets. You can go see all of his bikes that he has. He has hundreds and hundreds of three-wheelers in his museum. It's quite an amazing thing. He's an awesome dude. He supports the community and opened his museum up to you guys. You can go, again, check all this stuff out. It's amazing.
Around here, I was found
goes. There goes all my hopes and dreams. We got rid of another headache.
We'll get a Hummer.
A Hummer? I don't want a Hummer.